Okay. Under the conic sections, the first part, let us see the circles. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what do you know the definition of the circle here? Actually, the definition of the circle can be defined. Circle can be defined in the previous classes you have learned. How did you learn? What's the definition of the circle? Any one of you? Circle is nothing but what? It's actually set up the points, means a collection of the points which are fixed distance, means from one point onwards that they should have the fixed distance, okay, and the distance whatever we are taking. Circle definition is actually set up the points which are equidistant from the one fixed point is called a circle. When that fixed point is called as the center of the circle, and that fixed distance is called a radius of the circle. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So now we are going to learn the definition using the locus. Locus is a word actually we are not having in the NCERT syllabus now. Actually, locus is nothing but set up the points which are satisfying the one particular condition. Any one condition, and one condition is called as a, okay. So we are going to learn the definition of the circle and different forms of the circle in a standard form, endpoints, diameter form, general form, parametric form. Conditions for the second degree equations to represent. So these are the things we are going to learn here. So definition is locus of a point in a given plane which is a fixed distance from the fixed given point in the plane is called a circle, and whatever the fixed point is there, that is called center, and the fixed distance is there, that is called a radius. Here in this figure, if you observe that the C point is taken as a xc yc, that is center, and a point x comma y is any point on the circle, and from that point C, any point if you take, they are going to have the going to have the equal distance. Okay, so using the distance formula, if you are finding that PC square is equals to x minus xc whole square plus y minus yc whole square, and PC is what here, it represents the radius. So that's why x minus xc whole square plus y minus yc whole square is equals to radius square. Okay, that is a standard form of the equation, means whenever you are going to take the radius as a center as a xc yc, x minus xc whole square plus y minus yc whole square is equals to r square we are going to get. If the radius is, if in case if the center is taken as a comma b or h comma k, in your textbook it is given to you h comma k, the center is given to you h comma k. In case center is h comma k and the radius is r, small r is given to you in the textbook, so then you are going to get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. If that center is the origin, then the special case we are going to get, that is x square plus y square is equals to r square, we are going to get it as a equation of the circle. So equation of the circle. So now let us see the one simple problem here. Find the equation of the circle having a center 3 comma 4 and passes through the point 6 comma 7. So this is a point passing through the so center is given to you here 3 comma 4 and the radius is given to you as a, radius is not given to you and the any point is given to you, and when you find out the distance from the any point to the that center, the distance will be equals to by using the distance from the root 18 we are going to get. Therefore by using the standard form of the equation of the circle, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3, y minus 4 whole square is equals to 18 square. We are going to get it. Okay. So find another model of the problem I am going to take here. Find the equation of the circle having x minus y is equals to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 as a diameters and passes through the point 2 comma 3. These are the different problems which are not given to you in your textbook. Other than that, so that textbook problems easily you can solve it. It is not that much difficult to you. So let us go through this type of the problem. And here it is given to you x minus y is equal to 0 is the line, 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0 is the also one line, and these two lines has the diameters and it is passing through the point 2 comma 3. So when you solve these diameters means the diameters will intersect at the point of origin. So when you solve these two equations, the origin we are going to get it on solving. So that on solving these two equations by any one of the linear equations in two variables by the substitution method or any method if you are using, you are going to get it as a 1 comma 1 as a center. And equation of the circle we are going to get x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equals to 5. So 5, how do we get the 5? Here you may get out, how do we get the 5? Any one of you can say? Any one of you can say? Elian.
Sir, already a point P is given, sir. So the center and P we have to find out the distance, and that will be our distance, right?
Yes. Using the distance formula, 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 1 distance you need to find out. If you are finding the distance between these 2 points, you are going to get it as a under root of 2 minus 1 whole square, 1 square we are going to, 3 minus 1 whole square, 4, 2 square, 4. So we are going to get it under root of 5. The radius is here, not 5 here. Root 5 is the radius. So be concentrate on that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Endpoints diameter form. Endpoints diameter form means equation of the circle whose endpoints of one diameter is given as a x1 y1 and x2 y2. In case this is completely different model of the questions here. When endpoints of the diameter of the circle is given to you, AB is a diameter in this figure. Whenever you observe that A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Okay, and P is the any point you consider on the circle that is common point, means general point, that is x comma y. Then the slope of the line AP, when you find out y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula, slope you have learned in the straight line concept. So y minus y1 by x minus x1, slope of the AP we are going to get, and slope of the BP we are going to get it as a y minus y2 by x minus x2. So both are perpendicular. So when you are multiplying that two, the product of the two perpendicular slopes is equals to minus 1. So on solving that, we are going to get it the point as the equation of the circle as x minus x1 into y minus x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. So this is end point diameter form of the circle. It is not there in your textbook. Textbook may not, it is not given to you, but it will be helpful to you when you go for the JEE mains and advanced type of the examinations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand here? Only endpoints of the diameter is given to you. Endpoints x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, and center is not given to you. And equation of the circle you need to find out. Then the equation of the circle, when the 2 points are given to you, x minus x1 into x minus x2 y minus 1. Example you see here, find the center and radius of the circle represented by this one. Example not here. That equation whatever we are developing, for that equation center we are finding, and we are finding the radius. Obviously you can find out the center also. The center is the midpoint of the diameter. Endpoints whenever it is given to you, midpoint of the diameter is set. So midpoint you can find out by using the x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and the diameter distance is under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So radius is half of that one. So radius we are going to get. If you find this center and radius, you try to substitute this center and radius in the first formula. What is the first formula? X minus xc whole square plus y minus yc whole square is equals to r square. Then obviously you are going to get the this one x minus x1 into this one, whatever it is I am highlighting here, x minus x1 into this only you are going to get it. But it was given to you in something different way. By using the slopes concept, it was given to you the equation of the circle. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find the equation of the circle of the diameter 5 units and passes through the point 4 comma 0, diameter 5 units. And has 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0 as the equation of the diameter. Equation of the diameter is given and the point is passing through the diameter, it is also given. So when you are writing equation of the line in a parametric form, whenever you want to write it, so x is equals to 4 plus r cos theta, means actually we are going to get the cos theta is nothing but x minus x1 by radius we are going to get it. Y minus y1 by radius is equals to sin theta we are going to get it. Okay. So from these two, the slope of the line, you can find out the slope of the line is minus a. Suppose if the equation of a line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, minus a by b will become the slope. Minus a by b will become the slope. From that, the slope of the line is minus 4, but slope of the line can be defined as tan theta. So from this cos theta, we are going to get it as a minus 4 by 5, and sin theta, we are going to get it as a 3 by 5. In the trigonometry, you have learned it. So from these two, whenever you are taking into consider the radius, we can say that it is plus or minus 5. So radius, we are going to get it as a plus or minus 5. So from this, the r value, whenever you substitute in the parametric form, the points we are going to get it as a x1 is equals to once we are going to get 5 if you are substituting x1 equal to 0 and y1 equal to 3, and if you are taking minus 5, x1 equal to 8 and y1 equal to minus 3. So the other end points of the diameter is either 0 comma 3 हो सकता है, otherwise 8 comma minus 3 हो सकता है. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That can be done in another way normally. End points, whenever you are equation of the circle, you need to find out now. Here, see here, figure, the line is given to you 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. And the points are, one point is 0 comma 3, another end point is 8 comma 3, and one end point is 4 comma 0. One end point is 4 comma 0. So if you take 0 comma 3, the equation you are going to get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 3y equal to 0. And if you take 8 comma minus 3, x square plus y square minus 12x plus 3y plus 32 is equals to 0. Now, generally the standard form, which is actually, it is not there in the textbook, but in the syllabus it is given to you. This is standard form. When you see that syllabus, general form of the equation of the circle is given to you, which is actually not given to you in your textbook. Textbook, it is not given to you. The equation is x square plus y square plus minus, actually in other textbooks, whenever you see that 2gx minus 2hy, like that it will be given to you usually. The equation of the circle, here it is given to you x square plus y square minus 2xcx. When you expand that, x minus xc whole square plus y minus yc whole square equal to r square, whenever you expand it, you are going to get it as x square plus y square minus 2xcx minus 2ycy plus x square xc square plus yc square minus r square we are going to get. When you write in the general form of the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, whatever it is was shown to you, and here g, f, c are real numbers. So when you compare this, the radius we are going to get it as under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the radius, and the center of the, when you take here this one as a equation of a circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of the circle, means the center will be minus g comma minus f, minus g comma minus f, and the radius will be g square under root of g square plus f square minus c. So these points please try to remember here. General form, this is c here, what I told you. The x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is represents the circle having a center at minus g comma minus f. The general form of the circle, center is minus g comma minus f, and the radius is under root of g square plus f square minus a. Actually, when the equation of the circle is given to you in this form, by using the completing square method, by using completing square method, you can extract that into the form of x minus, you can extract that into the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus h y minus k whole square is equals to r square form. You can extract from that also radius and so center you can find out, but directly to find out, by considering what is g and what is f, you need to compare in the given equation. You let us see here one example. See here, in this, find the center and radius of this one. So the given is coefficient of x square and y square should be equals to 1. Most of the students will commit a mistake that here in this situation directly 2g is equals to 3 will be taken, then g equal to 3, sorry, 2g is equals to 6 will be taken, minus 6, 2g is equals to minus 6 we are going to get. So when you take g is equals to minus 3, we'll get the minus g will be the minus g comma minus f will be the center na? So usually center, usually the students will write 3 comma minus 3. But it is wrong. Why? Because someone is, hello?
Yes, sir. Now it is fixed.
So coefficient of x square y square, you should make it as a 1. When you make the coefficient of x square and y square is equals to 1, then only it is possible to you, means the general form you are going to get it. So then if you convert that into that form, x square plus y square minus 3x plus 3y minus 5 by 2 is equals to 0 we are going to get. In this, g is equals to minus 3 by 2 and f is equals to plus 3 by 2 and c is equals to minus 5 by 2. Then the center is 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 and the radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. So be careful that when you are taking comparing, and g and f c values should be taken properly. So this can be done in another way also. How can we write here? By completing square method, x square and minus 3x by writing together, and completing square method you use. By using the completing square method, we are going to extract this. That part you try at home. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now here show that 4 points are concyclic. What is meant by concyclic? Lie on the same circle.
Lying on the
So
same.
you need to consider the equation of the circle, general form of the equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is be the equation of the circle. As it passes through the point 1 comma 0, it satisfies from that one equation. Second point, second equation, third and third equation, 3 equations we are going to get. And on solving these 3 equations, g and f values and c values, we are going to get it. And substituting these values in the given equation, and fourth point will satisfy. Actually 4 points are concyclic is given to you. So whenever 4 points concyclic to prove, by using the 3 points, you need to substitute 3 equations we will get, and on solving 3 equations, equation of the circle we will get. If that fourth point will satisfy that given equation, you can say that 4 points are consecutive. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, condition for the second degree equation to represent the circle. So general form of the second degree equation is ax square plus by square plus 2gx, means in two variables. Second degree equation, whenever you take 2gx plus 2fy plus 2hxy, xy also plus c equal to 0. So it represents the curve of the different kinds. If 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, if this is equals to 0, and for a is equals to, b is equals to, and h is equals to 0, means the equation will be a straight line. And second degree equation, whenever you are taking into consider, ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2hxy plus c equal to 0 is the equation. And the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Second degree equation circle represent होने के लिए what should be the condition? Any second degree equation circle represent करने के लिए, suppose if all in the second equation a is 0, b is 0, and h is 0, then the equation will be what? Can anyone tell me the equation? 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 equation. Then in that situation, it is a linear equation in two variables which represent a straight line. This 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, we are going to get if a is 0, b is 0, and h is 0. All 0 means you are going to get 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, which is straight line. It is a general form of the equation of a line in a straight line. And to represent a circle, a circle represent करने के लिए a and b values should be equal but should not be equal to 0. Means the coefficient of x square and y square should be same but not 0, and coefficient of xy should be equal to 0. Then only the given equation will be transformed to, means that second degree equation will be transformed to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay? When the given equation is ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, represents, then find the radius of the circle. In case if this is the represent the circle, ये circle represent करने के लिए what a condition you need to have normally? A and B should be equal. That's why what we are doing here, circle represent करने के लिए A and B should be equal, and it was taken in the place of the B A and divided completely given equation by the A. When you divide the complete given equation by the A, it will be transformed to
X and y will be,
x square
their coefficients will be 1, sir.
plus y square plus 2g by ax plus 2f by a plus c equal to 0. The normally the equation of the circle is what here, radius of the circle, whenever it represents the circle, means the radius is g square plus x square minus c equal to 0 is the radius. And simplifying this, you are going to get the radius like this. Okay? Find the equation of the circle. End points of the diameter is given to you, are the centers of these two circles. These are the different problems we are discussing here. One circle is given to you as the x square plus y square plus 6x minus 14y minus 1 equal to 0. Another one is given to you x square plus y square minus 4x plus 10y minus 2 equal to 0. and these two circles centers will be the end points of the diameter. When the end points of the diameter is x1 y1 x2 y2, if you are having x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0 will be the required equation of a circle. Now another question is, find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2 comma 3 and 0 comma minus 1 and the center lies on this point. Equation of the circle, general form of the equation of the circle is a x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, and substituting the center will be minus g comma minus f, and substituting these two given points 2 comma 3 and 0 comma minus 1 in the given equation 2 comma 3, if you substitute, you are going to get it the one equation, and 0 comma minus 1 if you substitute, you are going to get it another equation, and center of the lies in the given line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 now. So in that, if you substitute the center minus g comma minus f, you are going to get the another equation. And these three equations, when you are trying to solve, you are going to get the g, f and c values, and the g and f c values as minus 3, f is equals to minus 1, g is equals to minus 1 we are going to get, and substitute that values in the given equation. Okay. Another problem, find the equation of the circle passing through the 2 points and the radius is 1. Radius is given to you, passing through the 2 points is given to you. You can hear it as it passes through the 2 points. Normally it passes through the center, you consider the center of the circle, you consider as a h comma k. When you consider as it passes through the point 1 comma 1, it is passing through the point 1 comma 1 means the equation we are going to get it as a x minus h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square is equals to 1, because the radius is given to you 1. Actually we are going to get it as a 1 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k, because the center is we have taken as a h comma k, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. As we are having a whole square, it doesn't change it. Okay, so that's why x square plus k square, finally you are going to get the one equation 2 comma 2. If you are taking, the equation is passing through the point 2 comma 2 means in the place of x and y you have to substitute the point 2 comma 2 in the place of it. So when you substitute the points, you are going to get the 2 comma 2 here and there. So then the equation of the circle is h square plus k square minus 4k minus 4h minus 4k plus 7 is equals to 0. And on solving these two equations, subtracting and solving these k, the relation between the h and k, we are going to get it. And as that points relation between the h and k, we will get it from the equation 1. In that any one equation, if you are substituting the value, h value you will get quadratic equation in terms of h, and the h value as a 1 comma 2. H value 1 comma 2, if you are taking, k value 2 will get, h1 means k2, h2 means k1. Then the equation of the circles, you are going to get it as x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to 1. Okay. So like this, different problems will be there. When you go through the different problems only, then it is possible to you to learn. Okay, now let me ask some questions to you. Arshita, can you hear me? Arshita, Dheeraj,
Yes.
what is the general form of the equation of a circle? General form of the equation of a circle, whose center is h comma k and radius is r.
Sir, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus
No,
2fx.
I am asking that h comma k is the center and the radius is r.
H comma.
Center is h comma k and the radius is r.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
X minus h whole square
Hmm.
plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Vamshi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the general form of the equation of a circle?
Sir.
General form of the equation of a circle. Sandesh.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I, sir?
Yes.
Square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r whole square.